Hi, this is Joanna from WarsawLocal.com. You don't need to travel far to find a tropical paradise. It's right here in Warsaw. Today I'm joined by my co-host Milena. Okay, so this is Joanna back again with the great video showing you fun things to do in Warsaw. Today we are checking Papugarnia Carmen, which with over 100 different species of parrots is a great place for a day out, family-friendly venue and a unique place for a first date. Okay, so before entering we need to disinfect our hands to touch the birds. Papugarnia Carmen is a parrot sanctuary here in Warsaw. It's a place where you can come, feed the parrots, play with them and touch them. The best speaking parrot is African grey, which can remember even up to 1000 words. The longest living parrots are aras and kakadus. They live from 80 up to 100 years. Papugarnia Carmen is a good place for photographers to come and practice their skills on moving objects. There is no age restriction for children coming to this place. One thing to note is that you need to watch out for the small pieces of jewelry, long hair and your buttons. We really hope that you enjoyed this video visiting Papugarnia Carmen. If you want to find out more, make sure that you follow Warsaw Local on Facebook and join us on our YouTube channel. So this is Joanna from Warsaw Local signing out.